been an acting scientist at the McMaster University for many years, probably close to about 50 years, when he decided one day to finally call it quits, to pursue his passions and things like that. So basically, he retired from doing lectures at McMaster University and researching Vesper theory to doing guest lectures and researching Vesper theory in the comfort of his own home. The only difference is there is a certain lack of pay. Applications for the new Vesper theory basically describe things as being able to actually see what our molecules look like, as well as describing things as hybridization and how any kind of molecule would actually look like. It's amazing that a scientist didn't actually think of this before, but then again, no one thought of evolution. You were wrong about the whole sphere thing of the atom. You were wrong about the whole raisin-bun thing. You were wrong about even Bohr Rutherford was wrong with its whole nucleus and that weird thing going around that everyone seems to associate with science. But it's funny because it's not true. The only person who seems to have gotten molecular shape even close to being right would be Ronald Gillespie, who invented the Vesper theory in 1957, as opposed to Lewis's dot diagram and the 2D molecule structure, which of course all molecules go by, because that means that we're all actually just 2D figures, walking through space. He was the one who actually decided to do something and say, hey, you know what? Atoms are actually 3D, which most things are. Well, actually all things are. So he decided to take the valence shells and the electrons and see what the different bond angles were and how things were differently affected by bond angles. And the thing was, everyone's decided, hey, you're actually right, Ronald Gillespie. So we're going to spread this theory like wildfire through the entire scientific world, and thus what was originally supposed to be used for as a teaching tool to describe molecular theory became what we now know as the Vesper theory.
My Chevrolet tailplane going round and round and round. Come on, little cabaret. Standing in the hurricane. It rains support like a refugee from a